Alright, troubleshooting ip227RW Wi-Fi connection. If you go through the wizard and the camera does not connect wirelessly, almost every time it's something to do with either the password is incorrect, misspelled, or the wrong type. So we're going to just, instead of going through the wizard every time to try different, there's another way we can set up the wireless. First click onto the camera to open, and we can go to settings, log in, and on this screen here we go to network and then wireless setup, and here is the setup we can do without going through the wizard. So first one is of course enable, and search. Click search to search for wireless networks in the area that your camera can see. Okay, there's a number of different networks. It'll show a list here, and you click on the radio button for the router of your home, and we want to click apply, and the camera should pick up the type of security and type of encryption, and this is where we would type in the password, and with Windows 7 you have a chance to see what you've typed in with this little eye here before you change to the next line. You can click on it, and as you hold your button down, you can see what you've typed, so you can confirm you typed the correct password. Once you go down, you cannot come back and see it again. So then we'll retype the key code, and the dots line up, which is the same amount of characters, and we can verify, and we can either apply or test. I always recommend applying first, because if you test and it works, you'll close the page and you'll forget to save it, and when you reboot the camera it will not work. So apply just stores into memory, and then click test. This test will test the wireless portion of the camera to your wireless router, even with your Ethernet still plugged into your camera. And if it connects successfully, you'll get the message, wireless connected. Return. This brings you back to this page, and if you didn't do so before, you can apply and it will store the settings. The other type of issues that come up with not connecting wirelessly is the type of encryption. This camera can only work with AES or TKP. Some routers have TKIP plus AES. The cameras can either do either or, so you have to make sure or check on your router. That's usually the only issues with connecting wirelessly to your router. So verify your key code, your encryption type, and your security mode, and it should connect. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.